Hey there digital friends, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I will be showing you how to flash PixelOS Android 12.1 on your Moto One Fusion Plus. So as you can see, this is the Android 12.1 PixelOS. So as you can see here near the build number, it's showing PixelOS and it's running on the April security patch. So I have used this ROM and I can say that this ROM is pretty stable with the one bug, that is the dual polarity bug, which is present in all of the custom ROMs. So except that, I can say that there are no kind of bugs in this custom ROM. So if you don't like customizations and if you want to feel the entire Pixel stock, you can flash this PixelOS 12.1 on your device. And another good thing is that we will be getting the Moto audio, which is Dolby supported on this custom ROM, which is the inbuilt feature. So let me show you how to flash this PixelOS on Moto One Fusion Plus. So before flashing this custom ROM, the main requirements are: first of all, take full backup of your entire files present in your mobile, and after that your bootloader should be unlocked. Watch my previous videos on how to unlock. So after that, download all the required files from the link in the description below, and the last thing is join the Telegram group below, so that if you have any kind of doubts or guides, we can help you. Flash the ROM at your own risk, and I am not responsible for anything that happens to your device. So these are the 3 files that we need in order to flash the custom ROM successfully on your device. So if you want no kind of issues with the custom ROM like fingerprint sensor not working, etc., you should be on the Android 10 Jan security patch. So if you are on the January security patch, you can skip this first step. Otherwise, I will show you how to flash this Android 10 Jan security patch on your Moto One Fusion Plus. So open the Rescue and Smart Assistant, click on continue, and after that you should be logging with your Lenovo ID, or you can use your Google ID to log in. So as you can see, I have logged in using my Lenovo ID over here. So after that, you need to enable the USB debugging option on your mobile. So it will show you how to enable that. So for that, you can go to settings and go to about phone, and after that click on the build number 5 times so that you can enable the developer options. After that, go to the USB debugging option, where you can go to manually into the developer options, or you can search on the above and enable that. And after that, you will getting a prompt in your phone. So click on allow, and that's it, our USB debugging is enabled. So after that, click on rescue, and after that it will ask your IMEI number if your phone is not connected to the system. So if your phone is connected to the system, it will automatically detect and show you the latest available ROM over here. As you can see, it is the Android 10 January security patch. So when you click on start rescue, it will start downloading this stock ROM on your PC or laptop, and I have downloaded already. So after that, it will ask you to take the backup and necessary permissions, etc. So it will now show you how you should connect your mobile to the system. So as you can see, first you should power off your device, and after that you need to connect your USB cable to the desktop, and they are showing these instructions with the animations also. So after that, you need to go into the bootloader mode. You can go there by pressing the volume down and the power down button for 5 seconds, and after that connect your mobile to the desktop. As you can see, it's continuously checking whether your device is connected or not. As soon as it detects our device, it will automatically start flashing the stock ROM. So it will take some time to flash the stock ROM, and I am speeding up this part for you. I hope you have taken all the backup of all your files present in your device. Make sure your device is connected during this entire process. You can watch my previous videos on how to unlock the bootloader, how to flash the TWRP, etc. So now, after successful flashing of the stock ROM, it will automatically reboot your phone. So you just need to complete the initial setup and again go back to the settings and enable the USB debugging options on your device. So go to settings, enable the develop options, and search for the USB debugging and enable that option over there. I hope now you are on the Jan security patch update, which is the Android 10 latest software on the Moto One Fusion Plus. After that, you need to download and paste the PixelOS zip file over here. So unzip the PixelOS zip, as you can see here. So now open the PixelOS folder, copy the payload.bin file. So close the folder and open the Liber Fastboot Custom ROM Flasher folder and go to the payload dumper folder. As you can see, these are the files which we present in the folder. Go to payload input and paste this payload.bin file over here. So after that, go back, click on the payload dumper.exe. So make sure you follow all these steps and don't miss any step. So this payload dumper will start extracting all the files required for the custom ROM. As you can see here, it is extracting the files and it will take some time, almost like 5 minutes or less than that, depending on the configurations of your laptop. I am again speeding up this part for you, so wait for some time until it is complete. After completion of this extraction, it will automatically close itself. As you can see, now it's completed. Now go to the payload output folder and copy all these files. So these are the files which are necessary for the successful flashing of the custom ROM. So copy all of them, go back and go to the fastboot installer, and there will be already some files over here. So paste the other files over here now. So as said before, enable the USB debugging on your mobile. So after enabling that, you should connect your mobile to the system. So power off your device and then connect the USB cable to the laptop, and after that connect it to the mobile. And before connecting that, go to the bootloader mode in your mobile by press and holding the volume down and the power button. So after placing all the extracted file, you can see two files over here, which is the clean flash and the dirty flash. So if you are first time installing the custom ROM, you can clean flash that, or if you want to flash an update over the previous build, you can use the dirty flash file. So now click on clean flash file, type Y and click on enter, and your device will boot into the fastboot D mode. So this is how it looks, and as soon as your device is detected, it will start flashing this custom ROM on your device. Make sure your device is connected during this entire process, and I hope you took all the backup of your files in your device. So it will take some time for flashing this custom ROM, so I am speeding up this part for you. So after successful flashing of the custom ROM, your device will automatically boot into the Pixel OS. So it will take some time for the initial boot up of your Pixel OS custom ROM. So as you can see that this is the initial setup of your Pixel OS custom ROM, and complete that and you're good to go. So that's it guys, this is how you flash Pixel OS custom ROM on Moto One Fusion Plus. So if you want the pixel feel, you can flash this custom ROM, and we will be also getting the features like the Moto actions, as you can see here, the ambient display, and I also forgot to mention that you will be also getting the face unlock feature here. You can try this face unlock, but our camera is very slow in opening. This ROM is pretty stable, and you will get all the Moto action features in this custom ROM. You can join the Telegram group for more info, and if you find any kind of bugs in it, you can also report them so that the dev can fix them in this custom ROM. So thanks to the custom ROM developer for developing this ROM for the Moto One Fusion Plus. So this ROM is pure pixel, and you will get all the features which are present in the pixel device, even the modded theme engine like the pixel ROM. So thank you for watching these videos and subscribe for more.